Ethan, what you doing?
I'm just smelling them.
Why are you smelling it?
Because I don't know what them smell like.
You don't know what they smell like?
That's why it smells.
So which one's your favorite?
I don't know.
You don't know? What's that?
I don't know.
I have a bad feeling about this.
No? How about the lollipop? Have you smelled the lollipop?
I like that one.
You like that one?
Yeah.
What's the smell of it?
Linda? Smells like blueberries.
Smell like blueberries? How about that one?
Smells like cotton candy.
Cotton candy? Who's smelling that? What else? What else can you smell in there?
Or different.
Which one?
Wait. Smells like
Pineapple?
this one's really long.
It is long.